Did you know most people building their network are investing at completely the wrong level? Not too low, not too high. Just slightly off in a way that costs them years. Everyone chases mentors above them and peers beside them. But the research is clear. The relationships that actually move income are what sociologists call weak ties at the next altitude up. Not your circle, not their circle. The people just one level above your target who have no reason to gatekeep you yet. Stop collecting connections. Start identifying bridges. That one shift changes everything.